It is April 1st, 2009, and this is what we wake up to. It's not fair for April 1st. It's very pretty though. The weight on those trees. Oh, that poor little tree. Let's see how the puppies are doing. I don't know, 16 inches, 12 inches? Wish I just could stay home today, play in the snow. Huh? Do you want to play in the snow? Do you want to play in the snow? I know, we'll play tonight. Happy spring! Mom's got to go to work. We'll play tonight. We'll play tonight. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. So an April morning in Minnesota. Gotta love it.